going to be talking about how to find the volume of a cylinder. A cylinder, you will recall, is a can, or like a paper towel roll, or a toilet paper roll. The formula for volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. Recall that pi is 3.14. Now, there's going to be two methods. Sometimes they're going to ask you to find exact. If they ask you to find exact, you just leave pi, almost treat it like a variable, just leave it hanging out all the way down. If they ask you to find it using 3.14, then you plug in 3.14 for pi and you end up with a decimal answer. Remember, pi is irrational, which means it never ends and never repeats, which means that you have to round it if you're using the 3.14. It's a rounded number. So, number one says find the volume of the cylinder, leave in the exact terms of, and that should say pi, it got cut off. So I do 3 squared times 1 pi r squared h. Pi, I just leave pi alone, times 3 squared times 1. 3 squared times 1 is 9, 9 times 1 is 9 pi. And because it's in exact terms of pi, I just leave the pi symbol. If you are working in digits, you're going to type in pi. When you type in pi, magically a pi symbol will appear. Okay? Now, to work it backwards, sometimes they're going to give you the volume, and they're going to ask you to find the radius or the height. So let's say they give you the volume. They say the volume is 70, and the height is 10, and they want to know the radius. And so we know that the pi is 3.14. So then I just plug everything into the formula. I plug in the 70. I plug in the 3.14. I plug in the 10. So I'm going to do 3.14 times 10. And that gives me 31.4. I do 70 divided by 31.4. And that gives me 2.22 equals r squared. To get rid of the square, I do the square root of it. And that gives me 1.49 is r. Okay? So that's working it forward and working it backward. If you want more examples, go ahead and watch the other video. Good luck.